Hello from Mombasa. We have mahamris and mango juice and tea. Hello from Mombasa. So this is where we're spending New Year's. You know, it's actually super hot here. Like this is probably like the first place on this whole month excursion that it's like actually hot, you know. But it's so beautiful, beautiful white beaches. I'm happy to be back in Kenya. I haven't been back to Mombasa in like since 2018 as well. But it's where we're vibing, having our mahamris with our mango juices. I missed it so much. A little taste of Kenya. So yeah, and we're making our New Year's plans right now too. So, and it's a cute hotel. This is called Coco Boutique Hotel in Mombasa. Nice beach view. Love it. Here's our dinner. Looks so good. That tropical juice. So cute, baby. Hi. Gave her some fish. So we're basically besties now. Happy New Year! Good morning. Happy New Year. New Year's breakfast here at the hotel. I'm glad we made it for breakfast. Yeah, it's just gonna be a calm day. We're gonna probably walk the beach after we eat, you know, the beautiful white sandy beaches of Mombasa. But yeah, it was a very cute, perfect New Year's Eve that we celebrated. And yeah, we had everything we needed. So this is our second to last day here in Kenya before we begin our trek back to New York. But yeah, it's been great. We're just like slowing down here and yeah, enjoying the vibes. Good afternoon, y'all. So we had breakfast. Your girl was so tired. I don't know why I'm so tired. I took a nap after. So now we want to like take a stroll on the beach while they clean our room and whatnot. I'm not gonna bring my camera. I'm gonna record on my Ray-Bans and my phone probably. So I definitely need to. My memory card is almost full. But yeah, January 1st in Mombasa, so beautiful. We're gonna take a stroll on these beautiful white beaches. It's mad bright out here, girl. But yes, feeling so blessed. You know, we got the kids in the pool over there. That's what you're hearing. But yeah, we're gonna have a pretty much chill day. Last final day is tomorrow. Well, we fly out tomorrow night to Dubai and then back to New York. But see you on the beach. Hotel building. We're on the beach, y'all. It's so white, so bright, so clean.
The shoreline is so huge.
Like, huge shoreline. This is where you can actually have a beach party.
This is 100% sand.
This is perfect for it. Yeah, it's like we're not sinking when we walk. Nice, firm. Don't have to take off your sandals. You can get out pretty deep in the water. Love my nails, my bangles. And we're back. Our hotel building is actually so big. It's cute. Another beautiful meal in Mombasa. Oh my gosh. Yo, we pressed some for that oyster chicken from last night. Oh, the cabbage, the rice, the potato wedges, so good, you guys. We've just been eating so good. All right, you guys, so that concludes our Kenya trip, our beautiful, relaxing, super chill New Year's vacay here in Mombasa, Kenya. Girl, I didn't even put a lick of makeup on this entire time we were here. Like, it's been mad humid, but it's been so perfect. Like, the weather's been perfect. The ocean, the breeze, just the calmness, the serenity, like everything that I wanted to start the year off with, And I think it's been such a blessing. I'm so grateful. Um, this concludes like the full Africa tour. And yeah, girl, y'all not gonna see this until the new year, but trust and believe it's gonna be so amazing. And I'm so excited for you guys. And I'm so excited for us to see where we're gonna be going this year and just all the amazing things we're gonna be accomplishing together. So I'm just so happy that I started vlogging in 2024. Yeah, and I can't wait to see where this ride and journey takes us. Um, but I'm excited. I'm super excited. So we're about to have our final supper here at the hotel. The hotel's called Coco Boutique Hotels. It's cute. It's cute. I know they have like they need a little more loving touch on it, but it's cute. It's been really nice. Customer service has been great. Food's been great. And yeah, so just did my skincare and showered. And yeah, we're about to start our super long journey back to New York City. It's freezing there. I checked the weather. It's like 30 something, but feels like 20 something. Oh my God, girl. Like, I'm like, what? But yeah, we got to fly from Mombasa to Dubai and then Dubai to New York. So we're going to get to New York super early tomorrow, which is January 3rd. But I can't help but just to feel super full and just heart's full and yeah, I'm super blessed and super grateful. And like, I'm so excited for what the year has to bring. And I'm excited to edit all of this stuff, y'all. It's about to be so much, but it's about to be so lit. So I can't wait to be back in Kenya next year. Or should I say this year, 2025. And yeah, that's McKenna signing off on the Africa tour. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Look at this honey contraption for this coffee, y'all. So good. I absolutely love this. So I know that I ended my vlog just so sweetly on the beach, but child, we've been going through it, trying to catch our flight. Our flight was delayed from Mombasa to Nairobi for like a few hours, which was affecting our connecting flight. So we had to first look at my coffee drink. Oh my god, this is so cute, right? Love this lounge. This lounge is the Bosphorus Lounge in Mombasa. Probably one of the best lounges I've ever been to in Africa. Or lounges in general, honestly. Like they got a sleeping pod, prayer room, massage room. It's cute. The service here is great. Our server was Louis, fantastic. Mm, coffee is hot. Woo, but it's good. Anyway, yes. So flight was delayed. It messed up our connecting flight with Dubai. So we had to do a complete just rework of the schematics and scheduling. And now we won't be getting to New York until a day later. So we're going to be hanging out in Dubai for the day and then taking a road trip to Abu Dhabi to the airport. So yeah, I wasn't expecting to be back in Dubai, but here we are. So yes, this is a little extension to the vlog as we get back home, but this lounge has been so good. Bosphorus Lounge, y'all. You come to Mombasa? I don't know if they're in Nairobi, they might be, but this is an amazing lounge. I just burned my tongue with this coffee, but it's so good. So worth it. And the journey continues. All right, y'all, we made it. Leaving Mombasa, the last frontier. Kenya Airways, Pride of Africa. Let's do it. Made it. First flight round. Oh my gosh. But we got champagne, champagne. They're so cute. And if you know me, I love a good flight bag girl. My current flight bag that I'm obsessed with, that I keep all my stuff in, is this one we got from Delta. I got two eye masks. Can't even see it. This one I got from Delta. I got two eye masks, sanitary wipes, sanitary pads. What else? I got mouthwash in here. I got toothbrush, toothpaste, this like roll-on. What is this? I got this from a brand. It's this like roll-on face moisturizer slash wrinkle bounce. I don't know. It's really nice, especially when you get dry on flights. But girl, I love me a good little goodie bag. So Kenya Airways. I mean, they all this, but no screen. Just that one over there. But they got us a cute little flight bag. All right, y'all. We're gonna see you in Dubai. See you in Dubai again. Back at 25-hour hotel. I love their ceiling and artwork. So nice. All right, mini breakfast before we take a nap. 25-hour. And girl, it has been a ride. This is only the one part of the journey back home. So, like I said, our flight got delayed leaving Mombasa to Dubai. So, it affected us missing our connecting flight from Dubai to New York. So, literally, there were like no flights out the same day, like the day that we needed to go. So, we're hanging out in Dubai. Our flight is later on tonight at like 3 a.m., but it's flying out of Abu Dhabi, so we have to like drive an hour to Abu Dhabi. I don't even know how that's, I'm hoping it's going to be a smooth sailing experience and whatnot. But until then, we are going to rest up, relax a bit. It's like 11:45 a.m. right now here. But yeah, I mean, I'm happy to be back at this hotel, see the beautiful view and whatnot. I really enjoy this hotel. And yeah, y'all. So, one part of the journey, hoping to be back in New York tomorrow. I know this was like a little extended part of the vlog. Like, girl, this is just part of life. We never know what's going to happen until it's happening, you know? But yes, so I am like all moisturized, did my skincare, my hair is wrapped, got my jams on, and I'm about to hop in this bed. Oh, their beds are so comfortable, so comfortable. But yeah, to think that yesterday we were just on the coast in Mombasa, overlooking the water, chilling, relaxing. So it's all good. Feeling still very blessed and grateful, not like or anything, but I do have to like jump right into things when I get back. But yeah, so until then, I'm gonna take a nap. I'm not sure what if we might get into something later today, but yeah, all I know is that we have to like leave here around like 11:30. But until then, all right, you guys. So we are currently at Monkey Bar at 25 Hour. Got cute first beat of the year. First beat of the year. And yeah, so now we're having a cute little Paloma drink. We're gonna go to the Dubai Mall and have dinner. And fingers crossed, catch the light show, the water show at the fountain that's like super known and popular. And then get our asses back here to quickly pack and head to Abu Dhabi for our flight. Love their elevators. Oh, is it? Fit right. Cool. All right, y'all. We are en route to the Dubai Mall. I love these like. This is a Benz, but I love like the. What do you call it? What do you kind of call these seats where they like face each other?
Cafeteria?
Tour vans.
Tour vans.
I like calling them tour vans. But yes, when you got the lights on the ceiling, the stars on the ceiling, yeah. An indoor Chinatown. How fun. Wow. Whoa. Wow. So fast. So fast and bringing us everything. Woo. And we are back from the mall. So glad that we got to see the beautiful water light show. It was giving Vegas, but 10 times better. Great meal at Hookah, as y'all saw the spelling. I'm gonna start spelling hookah like that. But yeah, so we are back, and now we have like an hour to shower, get the rest of our bags ready, because we gotta take this mini road trip to Abu Dhabi. We in it together, okay? Tap in a little bit, But also, I'm feeling my chill-ish makeup. Like, I wanna get to see my outfit. My boots. Can y'all see my boots? I don't know if y'all can see that. Well, here's like a full body version. I have like my cute little.